YouTube, what's up, what's up? Bada bing, bada boom. Another episode, Ghost Minds. I'm your boy, Steve. Today, we're going to talk about big break conversion for 2G DSM for cheap. You don't got to worry about saving money and trying to get those Brembos off the Evo A or Willwood brake system. You don't need any of that. You can make a budget big brake conversion using OEM parts from different model Mitsubishis that will fit on your DSM. So today I'm gonna show you guys, all right? Once again, you see the whip, 97 Eclipse GST 4G63. Budget, big brake conversion. Now, you can obviously see drill slot rotors, okay? So I'm gonna explain to you what the GST comes with factory. Single piston brake caliper, which the GST model comes with the same caliper as the 428. Caliper, bracket, the bolts in the back, the brake line, the rotors, it's all the same. The GSX model is the only one that is different. It comes with a dual piston caliper, not a single. So if you want to upgrade your braking system on your GST or 428 for cheap, this video is going to explain what you're going to need. Now, as far as installation, the same. You don't need no special brackets. You don't need special bolts. You don't need nothing but the parts I'm gonna tell you you're going to need for the low. First off, drill slot rotors. You're gonna need drill slot rotors. And the reason why I'm recommending drill slot rotors, because you see these holes here? Those are vents. Those are gonna keep your rotors cool, okay? These rotors are not off a DSM. These are actually off a 2005 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport. Okay? They fit on the DSM. No modification, guys, at all, at all, at all. Direct bolt up, no shims, no spacers. You're not gonna hit your rims, nothing. These rotors are actually, last time I measured it, I think it was 2 inches wider, you could say, or taller in height than the factory GST and GSX. Okay, so the bigger the rotor, you increase your braking force. Okay, that's one upgrade. The second upgrade, I'll show you right here and get some light. Stainless steel brake line. Now you can get a regular stainless steel brake line, okay, from Stop Tech for your GST or 428 or your GSX. They are the same. There's really no difference. Okay, you want to get your brake line. It comes with the bracket. Okay, it comes with the C clip as well. You know, it got the bleeder valve right there. Banjo back, the banjo bolt in the back is the same. Okay, you ain't got to worry about your brake line busting on you, because you know the factory hose is over 20 years old. This is clean, you know, it's not in the way of anything. Okay, that's the second mod you're going to need. All right, the third mod you're going to need is obviously, put the light right here, you can see it. It's the brake caliper and bracket. This is off a GSX. It bolts directly on to your GST or your 428 second gen. Now this video is for second gen. I don't know too much on the first gen as far as brakes goes. I usually don't work on them too much here at the crib. I get a lot of second gens here, so a lot of people know me to fix 4G63s around here. Okay, you want to get a dual piston caliper from the GSX, as you can see. All right, it's a dual piston caliper. All right, it has 2 pistons. Okay, not 1, 2. So that's going to increase your braking power. The more pistons, the easier it is going to stop, the faster it's going to stop. You don't have to put your brake pedal all the way down. You create more power in your car, you need to increase your brake system for safety.